wala na.
Oo, bababa na dun eh. Kabayanan.
Yan na yan.
Saan pa ang pinaka-landmark ng event place?
Ah?
Ayan mama, tignan nyo yung nakasign.
Saan ang pinaka-landmark? Kami galing na kami sa
Asan yung tarpaulin dyan?
Ayan ang Kaliraya, doon sa Dilag.
Lagos
side.
Lagos Place.
Left side ba yan o right?
Yan na nga.
Del Lagos.
Del Lagos.
Ayun na po.
Ayun, yung
It's now
tarpaulin.
open. O, yung
Sira na yung tarpaulin.
Hindi kasi makita. Ayun, ang mga nakared. Ayun. Naku po.
Karating din.
Ayan pala ang aming pupuntahan.
Ito lang pala. Nagkalayo-layo.
Opo.
Hindi, nagpunta dito yung kotse.
Oo, saan tayo magpa-park?
Ayun, ang pangalan niya. Ayun nga, nandoon.
Nakikita talaga.
Hindi kita, aba.
Ay, sa'yo pag may mga
Baka, hindi, baka wala pang permit.
wala pa sa labas. Meron na yun, kaya nag-ooperate na eh.
Kaya nga nakatago.
Maliligo pa tayo. Yan,
Ay, mayroon pa nga, bulldozer ba to?
Dapat di ba mapaalan?
Kaano kanina?
Yan ba yun yung kanina?
Ayan po yung kotse kanina. Yung
Yan, yung bababa. Tingnan mo, Tita Ruby, kilala mo yan. Hindi ko kilala ang pangalan.
Oo, dapat pala doon na tayo bumaba.
Nako.
Diba, iwanan ko.
Ayan, dito na pala kami.
Hindi natin napansin.
Si Lagos del Sol talaga nasa
Hindi talaga natin.
Ayan, dito lang pala kami. So, saan pa kami nakarating? Huh?
May tumatawag yata sa akin.
Dito kami sa Del Lagos Event Place. Mga nagkandaligaw-ligaw kami.
May kandaligaw-ligaw.
Tira na. Ako na, nakapula din.
Nakarating pa kami sa Lagos del Sur.
Ang layo eh. Pares tayo, di ba kasunod natin sila?
Hindi kasi yung signboard nila sira.
Kaya nga.
Bait naman ni Gemma, pinahiram ako ng damit.
Ang ganda nga tita eh.
1, 2 daw to. Parang sinisigal na niya ako agad.
Kasi sa Shein yan eh.
Hindi, pinababalik.
Sa Shein yan tita. Ayan, ito ang aming...
Picture naman tayo doon, ang ganda oh.
Mamaya na, tita, wait lang.
Anak ng
May
tao
video
pa.
pa tayo.
Naiina
Teka,
ako.
ano ko na.
Wala pa sila maabigan ah.
Naninigaw daw.
Tita, ayun daw, may upuan pa dun sa kabila. Huwag na bibig. Tita Ruby, may upuan pa dun sa kabila. Hindi mo comfortable niya kasi yung team, yung mga...
Ay, nililipat tayo doon.
Kaya naman ako sabihin sa'yo si Mapit dyan.
Eh, pero nakalagay Athena.
Lilipat na na. At bakit Atenayum naman? Atenayum ba siya?
Saan?
Ah,
Hindi ako patanda.
recruit mo?
Nililipat na tayo, ma'am.
Recruit mo siya?
Dapat yun na tayo.
Sa tagadakan. Hindi pa tayo na. Tatlo lang nga tayo.
Buong taon ng 2024. So ngayon, tayo to si Miss Sandy Pico para sa kanyang Christmas message to everyone.
Good morning! Good morning! Ang saya naman natin ngayon, ano? So, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for coming to this SNRDC Santa Cruz year-end party. So, your presence here today is a reminder of a strong bond. Thank you for being here with us. We are pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time now, as well as those who are new to SNRDC Santa Cruz family. Let us enjoy this evening with love, sharing, and togetherness. Advance Merry Christmas and let's enjoy this evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Sandy, for your inspirational message to everyone. So right now, I would like to hear some noise from you guys. as I would like to call the name of your VLT, I want to hear a very noise and very loud cheer from you guys. Okay, let's start with DB Francisco Realty. Are you here? All right, thank you so much for that. How about Ateneo Realty? And also, Amaras Gold Realty, are you here? Alright. Eh, magpapatalo ba? O magpapatalo ba? Ang Bethlehem Realty. How about Gasland Realty? And also we have here Rise and Shine Realty. How about Greenhope Realty? And also Jewels Realty. Last but not the least, the FCM Realty. And also, meron pa tayo, last but not the least, RBP Realty. Alright. Okay guys, let's just have to take this moment to reflect this moment. I would like to invite everyone to please stand as we would like to start our prayer before we proceed to our program. So, meron tayong mga chosen people here na magpo-compete for the title of Mr. Release Best Dress for tonight.
Kita everyday nalalaban na.
Alright, so to start this thing's kick off, we will have our first game together with our game masters, Miss Mary Rose Beret and Ishi Sotomayor. We will have our first game. So in this game, we need 10 people to play the game. So it is actually very easy. Alam niyo ba everyone yung Hep Ray? Alright, that will be our game. So there will be only one winner or two kapag magaling talaga yung mga players natin. So what would be our
Sali tayo.
siguro mas maganda kung one representative per real team. Okay, so one for DP, one for Ateneo, one for MRS, and so on so forth. So sa DP, sino sa tingin nyo ang magaling attentive alert na player natin? So stand up na po, and then come here from in this game, you will be receiving a very one by one muna. Si Ma'am Ishi muna. Tapos sabay mamaya. Kaya ka ng highlight, sayang kills. Alright. Let us all welcome and clap your hands for Ma'am Ishi Sotomayor. Ready? Let us all welcome and clap your hands for Miss Mary Beret. will miss best dressed for tonight. Alright? So all of you know, ito po yung ating prize sa ating Mr. and Miss Best Dress. Alright, so effort din ang ating prize kasi alam po ng effort din ang ating mga candidates, especially dahil we are seeing na nag-effort sila sa kanilang mga sinuot for tonight. And also, everyone here. Alright? Again, I would like to hear the loudest cheer or noise that you can produce for your candidates. Alright? So let's start again with candidate number 1. Alright? How about candidate? Ang taas ng kamay ng candidate number 2. Taas kamay. Alright. How about for candidates number 2? Okay. How about candidate number, taas kamay number 3. Candidate number 3. So at this moment, the number that I am calling will be stay in front. Okay, matitira yung number na mababanggit ko. So lahat. And that will be numbers, our candidate numbers 3 and 4. Thank you so much, candidate number 1, number 2, and number 5.
Dalawang Ateneo nanalo. Iba Ateneo yung lalaki yung isa.
Our candidates number 3 and 4. So this will be at the top bottom, okay? Kailangan mo parinig talaga yung pinakamalakas, pinakamaingay, hanggang sa baba.